Hey y'all, what's up? And welcome back to Hayas Hive. Today I'm going to show you how to make this card for Diwali. So let's get started. First, take an A4 size paper. Draw two lines using a scale on both the sides like this. Next, take half of a colored A4 sheet and draw some semicircles with a coin on the edge like I'm showing. Draw these semicircles till the end. After you finish for the whole paper, cut out this design. So I have finished cutting it and this is how it looks. Now take the other half of the colored A4 sheet paper and cut out the same design with the help of our previous design paper. So now we have two designed papers. Now stick it on our card like this. Now I finished sticking both the papers. Next, flip the card upside down and cut off the excess of the colored sheet. Now I finished cutting all the excess and this is how the card looks right now. Next, take another colored sheet and mark out a strip. Cut out the strip. This strip is 2.3 centimeters wide. Keep folding the strip in this way. And at the end you'll have something like this. And next, connect the strip like a semicircle. So I'm using a piece of tape to attach these two pieces together in the back side. And that was the base part of the diya. Now we are going to make the flame. So you'll need a piece of yellow color paper which measures 5 into 5 centimeters. First, fold it in half diagonally to form a triangle shape. Next, cut the piece of paper along the folded line. So now we have two triangles. Take one of the triangles and fold it like we did to the other paper. So once you're done, you'll get something like this. Next, fold it in half in this way and apply glue in between that part and stick them together. Now we have the flame of the diya. Now I'm going to stick the base of the diya and the flame onto the card. First the base. And then the flame. And I made two more of these diyas and now I'm going to stick them on the card as well. Now we're almost done with the card. I'm just going to use some pearl beads to decorate. If you don't have these beads, you can use other things as well, like stickers or gem stickers. So I also put some beads on the diya. And here's the final card. You can write any message of your choice on the inside and on the outside. So I just wrote Happy Diwali. Thanks for watching. Bye.